Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to remove an app from your home screen and then add it back on to the home screen. This is not going to be deleting the app. It's just simply going to be hiding it from your home screen and just keeping it somewhere else in your app library, and then we're going to be adding it back in. This could be really helpful, especially if you want to just simply not have an app show up on your home screen. This is going to be applicable on iOS 14 and above. So if your phone hasn't been updated to iOS 14, you won't be able to do that. So simply, let's say we want to remove an app from our home screen but still keep it on the phone. We simply can do that by simply holding the app that we want, for example tips here, and then we want to do this option where it says remove app. When you click on remove app, now you have multiple options here. You have the option to delete it. That will delete it and completely remove it from the phone, but we don't want that. We want the second option where it just removes from the home screen. When we click on that, it's removed from the home screen but still on the phone. It's just hidden from your home screen layout. And the way to find it back in is simply by going into the app library, which is going to be the last screen on your iPhone, and you can scroll down here and you'll be able to search it up. So let's tips is the one that we remove, and to add it back in you want to press and hold here, and then it will add it back onto the home screen. Let's remove it let's remove another app this time. Let's say we want to remove TikTok, so we click on that, remove from home screen. Now that's gone. And this time another way we can do it, again, go back to the app library, press and hold on the app, and this time you want to do this option where it says add to home screen. Both of these method work. You can drag it over, or you can simply press and hold to add back to the home screen. And that's how you go about adding and removing an app from home screen, not really deleting it from your phone. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tip for you guys that we shared, and if this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.